Hello, welcome back. And today I'm going to talk about the OBS Studio. And many of them have some problem with your OBS setting, the internal sound and the microphone doesn't work at the same time while gaming or while recording your screen. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's simple, all right? So just follow my step and I'll show you the proof, all right, how each work, and I'll just show you. So first of all, first open your OBS. Okay, I'm just recording from my OBS, so I'll just open the OBS. All right. So once you open it, after installation, don't do anything with your OBS setting. So just open it. All right. So I mean, don't set up by your own. So just follow my step just to fix it, your problem. So go to setting and go to audio. All right. There's stream output. So you need to go to audio. All right. So uh, first of all, you have to look on the device. All right. The first one is general and second one is device. So the first one is desktop audio. That is your internal sound. It will produce your internal sound, and you don't have to touch the desktop audio to just disable the second one, and the third one, mic auxiliary audio. All right, you have to click this will be your microphone. All right, and the first one you need to put on the default. Okay, you don't have to click on speaker or whatever. All right, just click on the default and go to the middle one. Just leave the second one should be put on this level. All right, click on this level, and the third one, mic auxiliary audio. All right, you have to click here, and this will be your microphone. All right, this is the one you will talk on the recording. So you need to choose your microphone, your whatever you're using, like if you're using Realtek, or you're using headphone, or you're using microphone, wherever it is, which is set up in your system. All right, you have to click on that. So I'm using microphone Realtek, so I'll just click here. All right, and the rest 2 3 4, all this thing you have to disable. You just need to click disable. The first one put on default. That's it. All right, that's it. And the rest down here, meters, advanced, hotkey, do not touch all these things. All right, just go and apply it, hit it, apply, and click on OK. All right, and if the mic, here's the mic, uh, the signal is popping up here, mic auxiliary. This is your mic. Right now I'm talking, so this is the signal of the mic, and I'll test you the internal sound. So most of you guys have faced the internal sound while playing game, while streaming game and all, and while recording your screen. There is no internal sound. So I'll just test it. So here. Alright, it's working. YouTube sound is working. And I will go to the game. Yes, this game alright, first the game setting. Alright, you guys just copy my setting. I'm using emulator. Alright, so whatever you're using, any kind of game, alright, go to the setting. Alright, first go to your game setting. Alright, I'll just go to setting. Alright, yeah, once you open your setting, go to the mic setting. All right, I'll just go in, click on engine. All right, so when you open your game setting, all right, at the microphone section, okay, playback. The playback means that that will be your internal sound. Okay, it's produced sound. All right, so you have to click on your default. It says a speaker Realtek R audio, right? if you're using like woofer and all, buffer, whatever your speaker you're using, just click it. But I'm using this in internal, that is speaker, and do not click on that Intel whatever audio HDMI. You just click to your default speaker and the microphone. As I earlier said, you need to click your default microphone that you're using. Alright, so I just click it, set, and it will work. In voice chat, all this day all the gamer used to do voice chat on the game while playing, so it will work, everything it will work. Okay, and I will just show you the game sound. I just turn off the music. Did you guys hear that? The game sound. So it's work. Now this game sound will work, your internal sound, everything will work. I'll just turn off. Wait. Turn off music. Once you're done with this setting, okay, once you're done with this OBS setting, audio, alright, once you follow my step, alright, right now I'm using on this setting, and I just played YouTube video and game audio and all with, and right now I'm talking, so everything's working. Just follow whatever I showed to you guys. Okay, just copy, just make it exactly what I've shown here. Okay, so that's it, it will work. And if the setting doesn't work, if still doesn't work, please comment below. Alright, please comment below. I will just read it, your comment, and I will just try to fix it. Alright, with your problem. Alright, I will just make it satisfied what problem is going on in your system. Alright, I'll just check it out. Okay, so that's it for today. And please hit the like button if you like this video. Please hit the like button and comment below, and do not forget to subscribe, and make sure that you click the bell icon for the next upcoming video, because I never create a video every day, but I used to create a video just to correct for the correction. Many of them have problem and they didn't solve the problem. Only that kind of things I used to create. I used to create a video just to fix all of their problem, right? So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you guys, bye for now.